there. So we have another radical, or sorry, not a radical, exponential problem we're addressing here in this Algebra 2 review. And this is where we have some rationals and the exponents, and then our bases don't match. So whenever you're applying your exponential rules, you need to make sure your bases match. Now they have this set up here. We have the base of 9 and a base of 3. And I'll go ahead and just highlight that here. We have 9 and 3. And 9 and 3, of course, do have a common base. So before we can actually combine these two together using the common base of 3, we need to do some rewriting. So exponential problems are typically got to rewrite before you can start combining things. So I'm going to rewrite that 9 as 3 squared and then keep that exponent there. And then, fortunately, I'll use parentheses here for clarity. So now I do have a common base of 3 I can work with. Now, the only cleanup I need to do is I just need to combine these two exponents via multiplication. So out here, remember an exponent to an exponent is, we have multiplication, x to the AB. So if I have 3 and then 2 times negative 2/3, that's negative 4/3. Yeah, okay. Not pretty, but it will ultimately pan out, I think. Yeah. So now we can use our rule of x to the a times x to the b. This is where we add our exponents together. And ultimately we'll have 3 negative 4/3 plus 7/3. I'm doing that. I'm just writing this out for clarity. Some of y'all can do this in your head and go straight to the answer, but ultimately we have positive 7/3 minus 4/3, and that's great. That's 3/3, right? Well, anything, we have basically 3 to the first power, and that is going to be our 3. So this cleans up nice and neat. Don't expect that all the time, but again, when you're trying to simplify an exponential expression, you have numeric bases. You need to make sure those bases are the same. A lot of time it'll be like 3 and 9, or maybe 2 and 8, or 2 and 16, 4 and 16. You get the idea. You're able to find a common base between the two, and that's the trick there. So see you in the next video.